Hello and welcome to another quick tutorial from Premier EPOS. Today I'm going to show you how to add customer custom fields to your database. So what I mean by that is, so if I log myself in, go to sales mode, and if I click on edit customer details and go to edit customer, it's this section here. So you've got this basically this blank box here. So what you can do, you can add in different types of variables in here that you might want to see at a glance about this particular customer. So to add the variables in here, what we do is we'll press cancel on here, exit sales, go to the settings administration tab, go to software settings, and then we're going to go to basic store settings, and then we're going to go to over here. It says customer custom fields. Okay. And then I'm going to click on add. Now it gives you this selection here. So this basically means is this particular information going to be a whole number, a decimal, a text, or a yes or no tick box, or a date and time. So right now I'm going to go for a yes or no box. So I'll go to accept on that. And I'm going to want to put in, for example, if they are staff at a glance. So if I do that, accept, that's now in there like so. So then if I now save, and then go back over to my sales screen, open up my customer details, go to edit customer, and now they have their staff. So what I can basically do, I can basically tick on there that they are now staff. So at a glance, you can put anything in there, to be quite frank. So at your heart's content, you can play around with it as much as you like. You can add in what gender they are or anything like that. So you can basically pick whatever you like. Your imagination's heart content. So more details you have, better you can use them as well on the system. So, and there you have it, nice and simple. And there you go. I do hope that's been useful. Thank you much for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. I'll check you out next time. Take care.